very important to know the different types of functions that we have. The first function that we're going to look at is a linear function. Generally of the general form of y is equal to ax plus b, so something like y is equal to 4x take 2. So that is the linear function. Second function that we're going to look at is the quadratic function. And that can be many different forms. That could be y is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, or it might also be y is equal to a to the x take p all squared plus q. That is the completed square or turning point form. And so examples of those would be things like y is equal to 4x squared plus 3x plus 1, or y is equal to x take 2 all squared plus 4. And this is the quadratic function. Another function that we'd have would be the cubic function. A cubic function can look like that, or it can be a bit loopier and look like that. And this would be y is equal to ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are all just constants. An example of that would be 3x cubed plus 4x squared take 2x plus 10. That's a cubic function. I have the reciprocal function. And the reciprocal function looks something like that. And that would generally be y is equal to 1 over x take a. So an example is y is equal to 1 on x take 2. Or it could be x plus 2. And in this case here, this value of a determines something about what we call our asymptotes. So in this case, we have two asymptotes. On this function, we have a vertical asymptote and a horizontal asymptote. And asymptotes are where my function cannot exist. So in this situation here, that would be at x equals 2. Because if you put x equal 2 into that situation, it'd be 1 divided by 2 take 2, which is 0, which we know doesn't exist. And also it has a horizontal asymptote at y is equal to 0, because likewise we can never have a value of 0 for this. And we saw that in previous examples for the domain and range of functions.